Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop Google Chrome notifications from popping up on your Windows 11 computer. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing you'll need to do is launch up Google Chrome. And once we're inside of here, we're going to come over to these three vertical dots, come all the way down to Settings, and from the left-hand side here, we need to come into Privacy and Security. Scroll down once more and select Site Settings. Then come down again and you should see this option for notifications. So we'll have a couple of options that we can choose from in here. If you just want to disable all notifications on your browser, it's very easy. Just press this button at the bottom here. Don't allow sites to send notifications, and that's going to go ahead and just stop everything from notifying you. Otherwise, what we can do is select Sites Can Ask to Send Notifications, and then we can be a bit more selective about which notifications we're willing to accept. So you can either choose from these three options down here, and if there's a specific site that we want to block from sending us notifications, then we can just come over to this Add button, type in the site URL. So for example, I'll just type in www.example.com and then hit Add. And then as you can see, all of the websites down here are going to be blocked from sending us notifications. Now, if there was a certain website that you wanted to send you notifications, then what we can do is come down to this Allowed to Send Notifications at the bottom here. Click on Add, and then once again, just type in the website that you want to allow notifications from. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you block sites from sending you notifications in Google Chrome. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.